Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and I have two words to tell you in an abbreviation, BS. This is all about this consumer report no longer recommending Tesla as if they are the rulers of the world. I saw the video of those three stooges from Consumer Report talking about cars and get to no longer recommending Tesla Model 3. And that is such crap. The stuff that was coming out of their mouth was so dumb and stupid. We have more data, and there's a crack in the window, and there's some paint chips, and get a life. What, are you kidding me? This is the same Consumer Report who gave Tesla Model S 5 stars in every category, then to say we're no longer recommending it, then Tesla Model S P100D, the best car in the world, then Tesla Model 3 is the revolutionary car, then we're not recommending it. I mean, these guys are so dumb and stupid. Now, having said everything I just did, to say there is some issues here, some issues, I mean, if you guys watch my channel, those of you who watch my channel consistently, and you know how not critical I like to evaluate things so they get better, but between that to say we're not recommending the Tesla Model 3, we're no longer recommending because there was a crack in the window and reliability issues, because they are, what are you talking about? What planet do you live? There's one more thing that I saw in their statement. We want a car to be more on the road, not at the mechanic. I drive the Model 3. I have 13,000 miles on it. The only time I took it to the mechanic is to the service center, is to put my snow tires. It is the most reliable car. Now, does it have issues, especially with the autopilot? I recommended that. Yes. So you adjust. It's not like you don't recommend. 30,000 gasoline cars go on fire, so let's not recommend that because they might go on fire. I mean, life is not perfect, you know. Did you hear that? What is this crap coming out of their mouth? Okay, we found this, they need to work on this, but between there, said, are we not recommending you to buy it? Where do you live? It's not only the Tesla, there was one of the Acuras. I mean, all kinds of nonsense. And what bothers me with them the most is like they feel that they are the rulers of the world. Yes, we're gonna pick winners and losers. I know who are the losers. They are three stooges sitting there, geeks, snowflakes. If you see my channel, you know that I don't get mad very easily or at all. But I cannot stand when people, agency, whatever it is, you could be YouTuber. I hate when people feel that they are the king of the rulers of the world, and they can decide this and that. Now, you can evaluate, absolutely. You can evaluate, you can say this, you can say this, but we are not recommending it, meaning don't buy it. What the hell are you talking about? What, are you out of your freaking mind? Okay, so I think I made my point. Having said that, to say that Tesla Model 3 as a new car company has issues and it's been working on it and fixing it all the time. Tesla Model 3 is a revolutionary car. Absolutely revolutionary car. It's the best car I ever driven with all its issues. And my car, I mean, when I talk about the autopilot issues and stuff, that's something that everybody experiences, and you know, you make adjustment and you play smart. But this is the best thing I've ever owned in my life. Ever. There's nothing else I want to drive than this car and cars like this. So again, I can argue their points, this point, that point, whatever, we can argue that, but between that is to say we no longer recommend it, and the stock went down by like I think $6 yesterday on that news, like they are some kind of anointing kings. Get a life. Consumer Report, you suck. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend.